Hi, everyone. This is Tanya Hertz here, Executive Director of the Rec Innovation Lab, Professor of Entrepreneurship at San Diego Miramar College, San Diego State University, and the Get Cooking program with San Diego Food Justice. We are going to today talk about how to finish the Google My Business assignment. This is the final assignment for Module 4 in the 155 class. Google My Business creation. So basically what you need to do is you need to create a business account, a business profile on Google My Business, add it to Google Maps. This is all free. To do this, go to the assignment here, click on Google My Business, then click that link. You'll need to then sign in to Google on your primary account. If you don't have a Google or Gmail account, I highly recommend that you get it. Remember, search engine optimization is the process of helping Google to find you quickly, easily. And in order to do that, you want to use a lot of Google products, Google services, Google, Google companies, and including Gmail, including YouTube, things like this, because Google is a little unfair, and they do give preference to their companies. So I manage 3 businesses here, so I'll click the one that I want to look at. From here, once you've signed in, you can then add your information to Google. You can see here mine has already been added, including some photos, including directions, address, hours, phone, including our website, et cetera, et cetera. We're already all in here and updated, but the nice thing is that now that this is all in here, we can then look at Google's analytics. We can look and see in the last year how many profile interactions we've had, how many people have visited our website, have used Google for directions to our business, et cetera, et cetera. And remember, Google is the #1 search engine. People are going to use it to find your business, so you do need to add it. So even if you don't have a physical address for your business, that's fine. You still want to add that to Google. So you're just going to follow this through step by step, including adding your business name, category. If you don't have a physical location that you want to send people to, that doesn't mean that you don't add it to Google. You still need to add it. You still need to have your information in there so that they can find you, so that if they're looking for a Mexican restaurant and you're a Mexican restaurant in San Diego, they can find you and your name comes up. You never want people to not be able to find you when they're putting your information in. And after you put all this in, you will need to verify your business information by entering your address and phone number into Google so that they can verify that with you. Now, once your information has been verified, then you can update your profile. So if you may be able to be verified immediately. If you aren't, you can then for the instructions, or for this assignment rather, just give me a screenshot showing me that you've submitted your business name and information, and that Google is in the process of verifying it. You can do a screenshot. If you are able to actually get your information in there and have Google verify it, you would then either give me the URL to your Google My Business page or a screenshot of that page. So back to where we were here. If I was going to do one for the rec, I could take a screenshot of my business on Google like this, or I could just click on My Business here on Google like this. Google My Business. Oops, I'm sorry. Oops. I'm going to go this way. Oh, no. Take that back. Where is my business information? Here on Google. I can't remember how to access that. Let me go back here again. Let's do your business on Google. And no, there's another way to do this. Oh, right here. I'm actually on it. So you would just go up to the top right here, Google My Business, and Command C, copy, and then paste that into the assignment. All right, hopefully that was helpful for all of you. I hope to see all of your businesses on Google soon. Have a wonderful night. Thank you for everything that you've done in this class, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.